Okay, key of B, right? Here's my A string to tune to. Tune to standard, so we should be okay to find it, right? So we're gonna slide up on the 11th fret on your D and G string. Then we're gonna lift the. I'm using my middle finger and ring finger, right? Sometimes I have to support it, one of my fingers with another finger because the dexterity issues I have. And sometimes I kind of fat finger the notes, but we're still gonna try to play it. We're gonna have fun doing it. So we're gonna slide up from the 9th to the 11th on the D string and G string. Then we're going to lift that ring finger on the G string from the 11th fret to the 10th fret. So it's going to be, so it's, we're going to take that same philosophy. We're going to go to the 7th fret on the D string and G string at the same time and slide to the 9th fret. Then lift your ring finger, put your index finger on your 8th fret while still fretting your 9th fret on your D string. So it's so far we are follow suit, same thing from the 5th to the 7th fret. The 7th fret covering on the D string and G string, then you're going to uncover that G string on the 7th and then go to the 6th fret. So far we're just going to go right down to the D string and G string on the 4th fret. And then you can play either a barred B chord or you can just isolate those two strings. Whatever's easier for you, right? Now if you play the barred B chord, which is a bar B chord, at that position, 7th fret, it's like that, right? But in the 2nd and 4th fret, it's an A position. So if you make an A with your pinky on your 2nd fret and slide it up to the 4th fret and take your index finger and put it on the 2nd fret on the A string, that's your B. So you can play it like that. Or you can cover that top string too, add a little bit more depth and style to it. A little bit more rock and roll, right? So recap it one more time. Recap it one more time. There you go. Another quick riff, lick. Play it clean, kind of countryish. Rock it up. You got some rock and roll. Play it fast. It's really like a good metal type of rock and roll. Or just play it nice and easy. Just vibrato the strings too when you're doing that. What I mean is shake them around, right? Like that. So, here we go. Music is medicine for the mind, body, and soul. Don't ever forget that, because someday the only relief you're going to have is in the shade of a tombstone. So get out there and play. Socialize, too, with other guitar players. Music is medicine. It increases your confidence, social skills, endorphins. It just makes you feel good all around. With that, my friends, I did a quick short on this as well. You can just watch it over and over and over to see how I'm playing it on that. And this is what I call the tutorial of it. Stay blessed.